Welcome back to the Canvas Tutorial Show. I'm Evan, and you may notice that my graphic is different. We're going to start a new series today in which I walk you through step by step how to go from an empty course all the way to a published course and all the steps in between. Okay. Now there's a few things that are going to be different about this video. First, I'm not going to show you 100 different hacks of how you can do special things. I'm going to focus on the basics. Okay. Second, I might not go into the theory of why you should do one thing or another. I'm just going to show you what I think you should do, and that doesn't mean that that's the only way to do it. And third, realize that I'm first and foremost creating this for my own school district. And so I might use a resource like a template or buttons or something that you don't have readily available in your district. But that doesn't mean that there's not an equivalent of that on the course in the Commons for Canvas or on Teachers Pay Teachers or something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You'll see that this is step number 1, create your Perl course. Now, why is it called a Perl course? And I'm going to tell you the truth. Just made that up. Well, when your district creates that real course that you're going to import your course into, those are called shell courses. And most districts, their information system will talk to Canvas and they'll automatically create thousands of courses, automatically add the teachers to all those courses, and eventually add all the students to those courses. Those are called shell courses. They're empty. Well, what do you put inside of a shell? What's a finished product that fills that shell? It's a Perl. So we're going to call this our Perl course. Okay. So right here, I'm at my dashboard, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new course. Okay. Notice that I'm not building it directly into whatever shell course my district creates. I'm going to create it what we'd normally call a sandbox, but instead of a sandbox where you just play around, we're going to get serious on this one. So I'm going to go over here to the right. I'm going to hit start new course, and we're going to call it whatever our course is going to be called. So I teach science. So I'm going to say science, can't spell, grade 7. This can be changed, so it doesn't really matter if it's exactly what it's supposed to be. I'm going to just set mine as private, and I'm not going to make my course publicly visible. Create course. This is now an empty course, and so I want us to fill it with something. Okay, look into the next video where we'll add a template.